two map. Two file. One is the existing file, finished it. Then you need to save it and give the again name improvement by the instrument. Suppose IMP. Then loading this.
Hello sir, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে স্যার।
Tell me.
স্যার বলতে স্যার যদি কোনো স্যার পাওয়ার স্টেশনে স্যার আমাদের ক্যাপাসিটার বাদেই স্যার আমাদের ভোল্টেজ রেট স্যার 94% কিংবা 6% চলে আসে, তাহলে কি স্যার তখন আমাদের ক্যাপাসিটার অ্যাড করা লাগবে?
94? No. Capacitor actually improve the power factor, not the voltage. Regulator
দাগ আসলে আর তখন ক্যাপাসিটর ইউজ করা লাগবে না, মানে পাওয়ার ফ্যাক্টর তখন ওকে হয়ে যাবে।
If your voltage is okay, then power factor is okay, no problem. But why you use the capacitor? Capacitors actually their working procedure and the regulator is not the same. Okay, 94 point you will just listen. These areas you will use the regulator, try to solve it. If the power factor problem, then solve it. Okay, so now we will see the last areas. I think your load sometime may be vary. I saw some areas because this map is not available now, that's why I can't see it. But you are giving some extra load. Look at these things. If any substation is 24, then 11, then look at these things. It's this on feeder, it's a on grid substation type things. If you look at this load 24, then 11, that is the 35. If you look at the 35 and 17, okay,
52.5
something 52. So look at these things. It's a huge amount, and you need to think. Listen on thing. I just give you on thing. When you solve any problem, voltage problem, it doesn't mean you need to see the amps also. Look at these areas. Then you will understand. The amps is 1353 amps.
Very high, sir.
No, not only that. Your capacity of your line is totally exceed maybe the 200%. Look at these things. This is 6 feeder 6. We will go to the feeder. Then you will understand that.
ভোল্টেজ বেশি হয়ে গেছে স্যার এই কারণে?
No. Your capacity.
Load বেশি হয়ে গেছে।
Yes, load is too much. It's not possible. Listen, total situation is solved. So many. Actually, as for example, I just give you an example. Then you will understand. This load, if it is required more electricity, then there is another areas to connect with that areas. As for example, I just give you a internet lines problem. Internet, any ISP line, you know any ISP line, ISP system, they have the one areas connection with that is the internet. If that fails, another 2-3 lines at the same time enter there. Only they are just change the tap changer. They are using the tap changer. As like as our electricity, if this line is too much high, 1353, it's totally double. Look at these things. We are going to our line 477 is 670 our amps. 670 current carrying capacity is 670, and you need to check it. 3, 4, 6. Look at the first item, then you can understand. This is totally 200% overload. It should be there always 80%, but look at this thing, 202%. So you need to minimize it with, so your load should be separate from each other. Understand that? So this line, as for example, this load 0.9 and 10 kilometer maybe. Maybe these areas on circuit, again from that area on circuit, again from that area on circuit. Okay, suppose as for example, I just make a on line, on feeder again. Look at the screen everyone. This is the line length is okay, yes or not, 10. It's too much, 25, that is the Bishmail from the Kubitpur. No, but I think the line length is not correct, because from the I just give you an example, then you will understand. From the Kabirpur grid to Bishmail, it's not the okay line length. 25 kilometer, look at the screen, 10.10, so 20 and 26 kilometer, it's a wrong actually line length. Kabirpur, anyone from actually from the Chandra or Baipal areas, anyone there, anyone here, or all are outside in Dhaka? Your areas actually, where you lived.
Sir, outside from Dhaka, sir.
Yes, that's why. Listen, these areas, because these areas, I think I am just okay. Where is that grid substation line? I am just check it just a minute, because this line sometimes, if this type of problem arise, then we need to check it.
স্যার আমি তো এখানে দেখছিলাম 5 কিলোমিটারই দেওয়া আছে স্যার।
No. Listen. Shaju Ahmed, it's not. Who is speaking, please? Your name?
শাকাত হোসেন স্যার।
Listen, Shakwat. Not only Shakwat, everyone. That is the single line diagram. Sometimes you need to check it, because I lived at Shabar. I know the Bishmail, because I went to Kabirpur grid more than 20 times. Okay, that's why from the, if you believe it or not, from the Bishmail substation, if you look at this substation, from the Bishmail to Bishmail, look at this thing, Bishmail, this Bishmail substation to Nobinagar, that is the 2 kilometer. Nobinagar to Baipal, that is the 3.5 kilometer. And Baipal to, that is the Kabirpur E, that is the 5 kilometer. So more or less it's a 8 kilometer actually this substation, Bishmail to Kabirpur grid. If you want to see the that is areas, I can give you the if you want to go to the that is the Google map, I will show it to you. Where is the Bishmail and where is the Kabirpur? You want to see it? Hello? All
Yes,
are
sir.
side. Okay, look at these things. I am going to the Bishmail. Look at these things. That is the Savar. If you look at these areas, look at this Bishmail. Look, this is the Bishmail. Okay, are you seeing these things? Bishmail,
Yes, sir.
30. Okay,
Yes, sir.
This is Bishmail substation, and look where I am going. This is the road, main road. Look at these things, main road, and this is the Nobinagar. So your Bishmail is here, and this is the Nobinagar, and Nobinagar to, look at these things, Baipal to these areas. Just a minute. Sipu stand, because in okay Kabirpur grid. I'm just writing here. Look at these things. These areas, Kabirpur. Look, this is the grid substation, and why is that substation? Look at this. Then you can understand one thing. This is not the actually 25 kilometer. look at these things, this to this, and your areas is that areas. This is 25 kilometer. Look at these things. This is the shower areas. Now it is clear, I think. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will solve it. If the 25 kilometer, how to solve it? We will solve that things. But sometimes you need to check it. The kilometer, you need to check it. Okay? You need to check it. If you believe it, if it's a normal time, not the crisis time, then we will go to that areas and mark it, or with the map areas. Okay. So now I'm just close this thing. This is the
স্যার বুঝতে পারছি স্যার। স্যার আসলে ওই যে আপনার স্যার যে পিডিএফ দিছিলেন স্যার আমরা হুবহু স্যার ওইটা বসাই দিছি ওইখানে স্যার।
no, it's okay. I'm not giving any actually blame. I'm just giving you that sometimes, if you believe it or not, or the Kobitpur. Okay, Dhaka PBS 1, then single line diagram for opening these things. Listen one thing, look at this thing, Bishmail, and now look at the things. Bishmail is 10, PBS headquarters, Sabah. There is no, this is totally 5 kilometer from that to that, substation to this areas is 5 kilometer. Okay, and 10. So automatically look at the screen. Someone actually give the, look at the screen.
Yes, sir. See, sir.
Where is the length? Length is not given there. The Sabah substation, PBS headquarters, all are in these areas. And it's not the 10 kilometer. This is not the 10 kilometer. Okay, that's why look at these things.
স্যার দেন স্যার 10.5 কিলোমিটার এটার লেন্থ স্যার কোনটা স্যার তাইলে?
From grid to the first PBS. This from this to the, okay, I'm just split this thing. Actually this is, I'm just delete it, then you can understand. Just a minute. Look, this is 10. Then from this corner to that corner, actually 5. Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sometimes you need to check it because this type of map is not actually familiar to you. You are doing this, but at the time of AutoCAD, you didn't finish that single line diagram type things.
অটোক্যাডে
sir.
করছি তো স্যার, কিন্তু স্যার ওইখানে তো সবগুলো দেয়া ছিল, মানে এতটা কমপ্লিকেটেড ছিল না।
Okay, no problem. So now we can see these things as for example, this is 10 point, okay, but this is not the 10 point. This is maybe I just think this is maybe 1 kilometer. This is maybe 4 kilometer, as for example. Look at the screen. If you look at the single line diagram, if you make it, look, this single line diagram, this is total is 5 kilometer. Look, and if we think it, this is the 1 kilometer, then this is the 4 kilometer. If you think, okay, no problem. Okay, so just correct it, make it, look at the single line diagram, correct it, check it 1 kilometer and make it 4 kilometer.
হ্যালো, আমি ক্লাস করতেছিলাম, ক্লাস
And
করে
this
আই,
is
আমি
points,
ক্লাস করে আইতেছি।
okay. Then again voltage
ক্লাস
drop.
করে
Okay. Now still it's a huge amount of, okay, electricity is consumed. So you need to double circuit, you need to draw a double circuit. Every separate areas you need to draw it. Where is your, okay, okay, feeder. And we need to just give a regulator because it's a 10 MVA upper substation, then 100, and just draw a single line diagram. Listen, this single line diagram, if you put it 10 kilometer, it will show you the 10 kilometer behavior. And we checked it. That is 477 and change speed. Okay. And so this is 94. Okay, double circle 94, it's okay. Now, these areas, it is clear for everyone, yes or no? If you have...
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, just PBS H by Q এইটা ডাবল সার্কিটের সাথে যুক্ত করে দেব, তাই তো স্যার?
Yes, exactly. PBS substation unit just because of load. Listen, we are working because we are working now. It's a extreme problem solution areas now. Extreme problem solution means all are peak load, but in the practical life, if you believe it or not, there is no all are peak load at the same time. It's not possible for any grid substation to handle that type of things. But we try to solve it, because if you solve this type of problem, handle this type of critical situation, you can solve any type of, you can. Okay, that's why we are using the extreme actually problem solving, extreme problem solving. So this is things, and another look at these things, it's also so if you believe it or not, the interrelation of grid substation to substation and line to line substation. Suppose sometime as for example, here actually all the line. Okay, I'm just opening on file. If it is exist here, then you can understand how much critical as electric line. If it is here, yes or no, I don't know. PBS, just a minute. No. GIS file is not available. Just a minute, I'm seeing these things. If it is available. GIS work it's not available actually. There's another computer, it is available. My PBS server. Okay, I'll show you why the, listen. Suppose as for I just give you the description. The description is this substation. Suppose this substation load, look at these things. The amps is 469, okay. 469 amps this line is carrying. So if you shift some load from the this substation to that substation line, because electricity line, some areas, suppose as for I'm just making on paint, okay, just suppose this area you have so many line, okay, your substation is too low, this is your substation. Another area there is another substation, suppose here, and there is another line, okay, this type of, as for example, and this is the backbone line as for example. So what they are doing, some of the area, suppose this area, some of the line, look at this thing, some of the line like that, this figure, then they are shifted some of the load, this area load shifted to that line, or this area's load shifted to these areas. That is the substation, they are balancing it. Okay, so now how to solve it? Okay, how to solve it? This is the on way. If you need to again if you need to triple circuit, so make it another feeder, suppose as for example add device, make another feeder. As for example, this load is too high. Okay, we will just make it another feeder here. Okay, and this is suppose 11.5 kilometer, 11.5 kilometer, and this is when you will give the solution, the conductor should be 477 MCM. Okay, because RAB recommend this conductor now in the 33 areas. So now you will shift these things, change feed. Look at these things, how to change it. Change feed. Look at these things. You can change this feed like that. Okay, and again solve it. Now look at this amps and look at that area's amps. And this area amps. Okay, so you can give a regulator here. Okay, now power factor problem, if it is, then you will solve it. This is I will just give you, okay, solve, how to solve it. 91 regulator, and you need to give a regulator here also. So
हाँ क्लास कर दो तो
okay, now the power factor problem. Look at this power factor. Voltage is okay. Power factor problem. Okay, so look at this thing. This is the 2 amps this substation is carrying, and this is the 350. This is, so there is 11 kV areas. Some of the load is actually shifted from one substation to another substation. Okay, so the power factor. So you need to check it. The power factor, look at these things, 36, 1800, capacitor, 1800. Okay, another is, here is the another. Fifty to 24, 100. Okay, then another is 7,000 something, 3,500, 3,600 capacitor. And there is sometimes, okay, more or less I think it's okay. So now how to solve these things? This is, you will solve the other part by using the same thing. My request to everyone, listen.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
স্যার এই যে বিলাকগুলো স্যার আপনি ওভারহেডগুলো স্যার বিলাক হলো স্যার, আর এই যে ক্যাপাসিটর লাগানোর পরে স্যার 20 মাইল তারপরে পিপিএস এইচকিউ এগুলো স্যার এখন রেট থাকার কারণ কি স্যার?
Listen, this rate, okay. Suppose, as for example, you think you need to solve any line by on regulator, the okay. If you need the, I am just telling you to, you will solve it, but you don't understand. You need to give another regulator here. I'm just telling you, you want to all the solve from me. Actually, that's the problem. I just try to just, you will increase your brain and solve it. I think it, but you didn't.
ওকে স্যার, এবার বুঝতে পারছি স্যার। আমি ভাবছি স্যার ওইটা কোনো প্রবলেম হইছে।
Understand, because this is not a problem. I just give some solution so that you can apply your brain, but you want to solve all the things for me. Okay, that's right. Okay, no problem. So you will solve it. How to solve it? Okay, so at least listen one thing. If you give any regulator, so many conditions you need to apply. So many conditions apply means that suppose as for example, any best solution if you need, suppose your line length is 10 kilometer. Okay, so where is the best solution to give the regulator? That is 2/3. That is, you will put the 3 kilometer after you will put a regulator. That is 10 kilometer. It will give the best solution. Okay, so my concept is maybe clear for everyone. So your second task, first task is normal. Okay, second task is by using the regulator, capacitor, and listen, regulator, capacitor, and you will give some of the double circuit, triple circuit to solve it. Finished it. Third, your model, that is, third model is you will increase your load. You will increase your load because when you will give any solution, for any network in Bangladesh, if you believe it or not, at least 1 year. At least 1 year, actually your file is processed from bottom to top, then justification, so many things, but your file is moving to up, the load is down, it is possible or load will increase? Tell me, you don't understand what I am saying? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose as for example, this is the network. You just gave a solution that you need that type of capacitor, that type of regulator. Okay, without increasing any load. Increasing any load means, suppose as for example, here is a 24,000 kilowatt. But if you think 24,000 is that is the last level, no. Maybe the next day, these areas, maybe the another, maybe the house, maybe suppose, I'm just giving you an example that will help you. Suppose you are now a student now. When you join, you will join some areas, some organization. Your salary is, as for example, more than 60,000, as for example, starting. Then you will use without AC, yes or no, or any mobile, normal mobile. So your buying capacity is increased, your facility is increased. So all the things, actually the pressure is in your electricity areas. So that's why day by day, every day, okay, you are a research people person. So you want to establish that is the industry, PBS, these areas. So what happened? So you need a load, and your friend just send the file. That's the 24,000 is enough. This load, it is okay? No, because load is every day. So your suggestion should be after increasing the load. Suppose, for example, I just give you a solution, then you will understand, sir. Look at the screen. Now your load is 1075. Okay. If you think, okay, I will give the solution. First you will solve it, double circuit, all the things. So you will go to the analysis manager and load growth 5%. If you think, okay, justification of so many surveys, then the PBS actually justify that type of things. Okay, justify that type of things. Then 5%, then analysis and run. Look at these things. Now the load is, look at these things, 1,83,750. This is your actually load. And you need to solve these things. Your third model, if you think, look at this thing, you give the solution, you don't understand. If you increase this 15%, then you will understand. Otherwise, you cannot. 5%. Look at these things. So this solution without that, this solution is okay. But if it is 25% or 30% increase, look at these things. Your solution is not perfect. So you need to give another solution. Is at least, my request to everyone, at least you will increase the 20% of your load. 20% load, you will give the 20 or 30, whatever you like, and try to give the solution. Okay, that will help you, that your future network. Yes or no? It's after the next class, your midterm, our listen on thing. Suppose as for example, we give the solution, so many solution, but you are seeing some loss. This area, suppose this substation, there is some loss. This substation, okay, connected. This substation, there is some loss. But in common line, this line, there is some loss. The final term, you need to give the loss sharing calculation. Okay, that is the Excel type of things. You need to loss sharing. Suppose, okay, tell me. Suppose this loss. Okay, Kaliakur substation. This is your substation. Okay, this is my line individual. So I will give this loss solution. Okay, extra pay. This substation, okay, this is my line. So I will give the solution. But common line, the loss is suppose 30 kilowatt. Okay, now tell me, the Kobirpur radio station, how much it will pay, and the Kobirpur 2. My concept is clear, yes or no? You don't understand? You understand that things, yes or no? Tell me. Are you listening? Okay. The common loss. Okay, I am just going to that area. Then you will understand. Suppose, as example, I am just showing these things. One of the feeder. Suppose this is the substation and their loss is 500. Some substation 2 kilowatt. Okay. And some substation loss, individual line loss is 193. But common line loss is 506 kilowatt loss. How much this substation will pay per unit, and how much this Mouchak will pay? We will learn the final term tasks like that. We will learn that things.
Kobirpur radio station sir beshi pay kora lagbe sir.
But how much? This is the sum. Suppose as well, if you tell you, okay, the loss, okay, so please, you will 500, okay, you are my native areas, so you will pay the 300 kilowatt loss, and you are the outside Dhaka, you will pay the, okay, 700 loss. You will agree with that type of things? No. There is
no, sir, calculation, sir.
Yes, that's why the final term we will learn that type of things, how to actually calculate that type of loss sharing. So look at this thing. The first we learn one thing, that is draw up the single line diagram. Finished it. Second term we are learning two things. One is the existing substation. Second is existing substation with error free. Second is without increasing the load. Without increasing, we will give the solution. Without the increasing, listen. Without increasing, you will give a on solution. Without increasing the load, you will give all the solution. Okay. After that, with listen on thing. this solution should be in the part 3, because where there is no boundary, I'm just, this time you will, I'm just telling one thing. How much you can solve. This is not solvable. So regulator and everything, okay, fine, you cannot solve it. Okay, this is, listen, this is your last solution that you cannot solve it without the line and everything. So this is your first improvement model. See, so you improve these things. Next, what you will do, you will just look at these things. What you will do, save as. So Kabirpur grid, as for example, improvement model, improvement. Please, my request to you, look at this thing, IMP, improvement model. This is your Kabirpur improvement model. Okay. This is your solution, finished it. Then again, you will give another solution. Save as Kabirpur map, load increase. Look at the screen. Load increase. Okay, load increase. So you will give the solution. So your model, look at these things. This first model, without any line, solve all the things with the regulator and capacitor. If it is not possible to solve with regulator or capacitor, stop it. First model. Second model is, you will save with the same thing with existing solution, then go to that areas and give it, suppose 20% increase the load. Okay. Now, if you need the double circuit, if you need the another regulator, how much regulator, line, everything, that is your third number, improve with load.
Mamu,
Clear this model, yes or no?
class kortasi.
How many model you need to
Yes, sir.
clear?
3 sir.
Yes, first model is improvement model without any line or anything create. It's not possible to
Just
regulate.
sir regulator and
class kortasi mamu.
capacitor use sir.
Yes, use. Then you will sell
এরকম
it.
রেড কালার থাকলে ওইটাই
সমস্যা
ফার্স্ট
নাই।
মডেল করব স্যার।
Yes, if the red color is okay, you cannot.
তো শকুনের
ওকে
চোখ।
স্যার। ওকে স্যার।
Second thing, you will go to the again from the savers and give it look.
হ্যাঁ তো
Improve
কই
it model
বলবো,
one.
হ্যাঁ তো
Another is your
ইনক্রিজ লোড স্যার। লোড
yes, increase and save it. Same model you will save it. Then you will go to that
এখন তো তার
area.
ফেরা নাই।
And that
স্যার
time,
আইতেছে।
সলভ কাজটা করব কোথায় স্যার? সলিউশন পার্টটা সম্পূর্ণ
ঠিক আছে,
সলিউশন
ঠিক আছে।
পার্টটা কোন মডেলে করব?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
last model, load increasing model areas.
ওকে স্যার।
Suppose as for example, you give the solution, capacitor and so many things, because this is better for you to use the, okay, because it's not, here is the load. I'm just saying one thing, that 10,000. Give it here. You are seeing the 10,000, yes or no? 20%, listen. 20% suppose you will increase it. How to increase it? You will increase, the load is 13,000. Multiply by 0.2. How much? You will add with that areas and put it here. Clear? Otherwise you can, listen, when your everything, okay, I'm improving these things, I'm just delete these things so that otherwise you can understand. This is your present condition things. Okay. So now this present condition thing, you will increase the load. If you increase the load, look at this thing. If you increase the load 20%, it will increase, but you cannot see it. Because how much capacitor you need to give it here, you cannot. If you give the load here without the 20% here, I'm just showing you one thing. Don't do this. You will give it here. Okay. Increase the 20%. Suppose, as for example, if you increase the 20%, 10,000, how much? Tell me. Here is the 95 or something like that. Tell me. 25% means 25%. So 10,000. So 12,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now load is 12,000. Okay, load is 12,000. Now you will again make it. So your load will, all the load is increase 20%. If you use here, actually you don't understand how much capacitor you will use. You cannot understand that things. Clear my message? Because your previous load and your caviar is the same previous. But if you give the same type of capacitor, it's not okay. That's why my request to you, input 20% load, my request to you, don't use this, because don't use this. What you will do, you will click here and increase the load here and balance it. Click the balance. Suppose, as for example, I'm using, say, what is the things? 11,000. 11,000, 20%, how much? Tell me. Tell me. So 11,000, that's 13,200. Balance it. Okay, look at these things. So you will increase it. That will help you to actually your caviar. Otherwise you cannot see the exact caviar. So which type of capacitor you will suggest, you don't know. Now it is clear for everyone, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you will increase the load and put the load here, because if you use this percentage, you cannot understand the caviar, and your caviar is maybe the problem. So that's why you will remove all the instrument and click it, just 13,000. Okay, then 20%. You have a calculator, because you are electrical engineer, you are expert in calculator. Just put these things and click the balance. Okay, put these things and click the balance, then the load is balancing. Then recalculate again and give the solution, because you already have one solution, because you know that all the areas you need to use the regulator. You know that very well, you know that. So that type of regulator you will put it here. One solution. Second solution, your capacitor size will be changed, because load change, caviar is totally different, so your capacitor will come. And where you need to, you already know these areas you cannot solve it. So triple circuit, double circuit, where you need it, you will give it that things. Now the solution is clear for everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to the attendance areas. Yes? Any other question? I request to everyone. My theme is, please learn the PSN, it will help you. My theme is not that like I will make a barrier so that you will face a problem. No. Try to understand it. If you need any type of help, I will help you. Please, just learn it. Don't copy from others. If you don't understand, if you have a computer problem, how much you can finish, try to communicate. Sir, I know that. I can understand this capacitor. Sir, tell me the capacitor. I will help you. If you believe it or not, I will help you. Because look, all the solution, how to make it, how much you finished, I also try to finish within the class so that you can understand. So please learn it. Because I repeat it again, electrical GIS, PSNA, PDMA, SolidWorks, it will help your future. Okay, So learn it clearly. So next class you will enter the then listen.
হ্যালো স্যার
Yes, tell me.
স্যার আমাদের মডেল তাহলে তিনটা হবে স্যার নাকি দুইটা স্যার?
No. Model is two. One is the
ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট স্যার,
improvement without any change. Only the regular
সেকেন্ড স্যার লোড ইনক্রিজ স্যার।
load increase and give the solution.
স্যার লোড ইনক্রিজ করার সময় আমরা ক্যাপাসিটর গুলো রিমুভ করে নেব স্যার, তারপরে ওই সাবস্টেশনের মানে ভ্যালু দিয়ে 20% হোক যে পার্সেন্ট হবে সেটা আমরা ইয়ে করব।
Yes, calculator use. You will go to the you will go to these areas and calculate it and put it this value and balance it. Balance.
দেন স্যার ক্যাপাসিটর ইউজ করব।
Yes, capacitor regulator. If you need that another transformer, if you need it, you will give that transformer. Any type of solution you can. Okay.
স্যার যে ট্রান্সফরমার ইউজ করতে পারো স্যার একটা?
Everything. There is no boundary.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. So thank you everyone.